In the remote corners of the world, the journey of a diamond begins in the dust and the dirt. Using age-old methods, each diamond is uncovered, a fragment of nature's untouched beauty. The raw finds are carefully sorted, each one unique, yet all destined for a similar journey. Once secured, the diamonds are ready to leave the extraction site. In the heart of the facility, the transformation begins. They are guided by machines and hands to begin their final journey toward brilliance. Each diamond is examined meticulously, its fate determined by its imperfections and strengths. From the depths of the earth, they are transported to the next chapter of their journey. Now ready for the master's touch, they await their first transformation. The first step in shaping perfection begins as the raw diamond is carefully cut and refined. Every facet is polished with precision, transforming it from a rough stone into something truly brilliant. Careful inspection ensures every flaw is accounted for and every cut is perfect. In these final stages, each diamond is transformed into its true form, ready for the world to admire. The final touch, a gleam that captures the essence of a diamond's brilliance. Safely sealed, the diamonds are ready to leave for their next journey. The journey continues as these stones are taken to the skilled cutters who will bring them to life. Arriving at their next destination, the diamonds will be transformed by expert hands. Ready for the final cut, each diamond will soon sparkle in the hands of a craftsman. Once they arrive, the diamonds are carefully documented and prepared for the next phase of their transformation. Each shipment is carefully logged and secured to ensure nothing is lost in the process. Guided by automation, the diamonds move toward the next stage of their journey. As they pass through the sorting system, each diamond is separated, guided to the proper cutting station. Here, the raw gems will be transformed into their most brilliant forms, each one carefully examined and cut to perfection. The diamonds are revealed, ready to be shaped by expert hands. Every tool is calibrated to perfection as the diamond is positioned for its first cut. The first cut is made, and the diamond begins its journey towards perfection. Each cut is inspected for flaws, ensuring the diamond is on its way to becoming something extraordinary. Polishing smooths each facet, bringing out the brilliance that makes diamonds so captivating. Every imperfection is accounted for, and the diamond is prepared for the final cut. The final touches are made, and the diamond is now ready for its brilliance to shine through. The last steps are the most delicate, ensuring that the diamond is as brilliant as nature intended. Secured and ready for its final destination, the diamond has been shaped, polished, and perfected. The journey continues as the diamond makes its way to the final distributor. ETA looks good. Now in safe hands, the diamonds are prepared for distribution to their final destinations. With the final inspection complete, the diamonds are ready for the market. Behind these walls, a delicate transformation takes place, where rough stones become timeless treasures. Through this gate, raw diamonds are transformed into their most refined state, ready to shine in the world. Each worker plays a critical role in this precision process, their experience shaping every diamond. This vast facility is home to high-tech machinery, where each cut is made with precision. Safety and preparation are key in this environment, as each worker gears up for the delicate task ahead. Machines are calibrated to precision, ensuring each diamond is handled with the utmost care. Each diamond is handled with precision, ensuring the transformation begins as intended. Now, under the watchful eye of the craftsman, the diamond is ready for its first cut. The first cut is critical, as it determines the diamond's final shape. The cutting process begins, each blade's movement bringing the diamond closer to perfection. Each cut is inspected for precision, ensuring it meets the highest standards. Polishing brings out the diamond's natural brilliance, revealing its true potential. The diamond is now a perfect example of nature's wonder, ready for its final journey. Once secured, the diamond is ready for its journey to its final destination. The diamonds are now on their way to their final home, ready to dazzle the world. And with that, the diamonds are on their way to be admired by the world. As they leave the factory, these diamonds are on their way to the final stages of their journey, poised to be showcased to the world. From above, the factory hums with activity, each worker contributing to the final result, a diamond's brilliance.
Long day, huh? Yeah, no. The workers leave the factory,
Leaving behind a legacy of craftsmanship that will shine forever. As the rough diamonds make their way down the line, the first step in their journey begins, cleaning and sorting. Every diamond is examined under the brightest of lights, its qualities carefully considered and categorized. A delicate cleaning process removes all impurities, preparing the diamond for the next step in its transformation. Once dried, the diamonds are placed in trays, ready to be categorized for cutting. Each diamond is meticulously measured, sorted by its unique qualities, and graded for its eventual cut. The diamonds pass through a series of grading stations, each one ensuring that every stone is accounted for. Now securely positioned, the diamond is ready for the first cut, where its true form will emerge. With careful precision, the diamonds are prepared for the cutting process, where they will begin their final transformation. Every detail is rechecked to ensure no diamond is out of place. With the final inspection complete, the diamonds are ready to begin their transformation into brilliance. With each careful cut, the diamond's true form begins to take shape. After its transformation, the diamond is ready to be polished, bringing out the facets that make it shine. With the polishing compound applied, the diamond is placed onto the wheel, where it will be smoothed to perfection. The polishing process smooths each facet, bringing out the inner brilliance of the diamond. Every diamond undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure that no detail has been overlooked. Even the smallest imperfection is corrected in this final stage, ensuring the diamond is flawless. This final polish will bring out the full potential of the diamond, ensuring its perfection. With every turn of the wheel, the diamond's brilliance comes to life. Under magnification, every detail is scrutinized, ensuring that only the perfect diamonds make it to the next stage. The diamonds are carefully packaged, ready to be sent out into the world, each one a masterpiece. With careful precision, the diamond is positioned for its major transformation. This is where the real shaping begins. The main cut begins to reveal the diamond's true brilliance, each facet formed to perfection. Each step is examined closely, ensuring that every cut is perfectly aligned with the planned design. With every adjustment, the diamond is refined, bringing it closer to its perfect form. The diamond is now shaped, the main cut complete, its brilliance beginning to shine through. With every pass of the polishing wheel, the diamond's facets are smoothed, enhancing its natural brilliance. Each facet is closely examined, ensuring that the diamond's polish meets the highest standards. Laser precision ensures that every angle is flawless, completing the transformation. Before it moves on, every aspect of the diamond is examined under the brightest light, ensuring perfection. With the final inspection complete, the diamond is now flawless, ready for the next stage in its journey. Once safely packed, the diamond is ready for its journey to the market, where it will be admired. Once sealed and secured, the diamonds are prepared for shipment, ready to dazzle the world. The diamonds are now on their way to their final destination, where they will be unveiled to the world. The diamonds are now on their way to their final destination, where they will be unveiled to the world. And so, the journey of each diamond continues, destined to shine in the hands of those who appreciate its brilliance. The final cleaning ensures that the diamond is free of any traces of the polishing process, preparing it for a flawless inspection. Under magnification, every facet is scrutinized to ensure the diamond meets the highest standards of perfection. Once inspected and approved, the diamond is carefully secured, ready for its next journey. Once packed securely, the diamond is ready for transport, where it will be sent to its final destination. With every box securely loaded, the diamonds are ready for their journey to market. And so, the diamonds leave the factory, on their way to dazzle the world, each one a shining testament to the art of craftsmanship. Behind the scenes, the automation systems come to life, ensuring precision and efficiency throughout the facility. The diamonds are carried smoothly along the automated conveyor, each step timed to perfection. With robotic arms handling the diamonds, the process becomes faster, safer, and more precise. Laser precision allows for the smallest adjustments, shaping the diamond with flawless accuracy. With the help of advanced sensors, diamonds are sorted and categorized, ensuring only the finest reach the final stages. With digital monitoring, the cutting process is constantly optimized, ensuring the highest quality standards. Automated polishing ensures that every facet is smoothed to perfection, enhancing the diamond's shine. Artificial intelligence ensures that no flaw goes unnoticed, and every diamond is sorted with unrivaled accuracy. Robotic precision in polishing ensures that every surface reflects light perfectly, bringing out the diamond's brilliance. Robotic precision guides the diamonds seamlessly to their final steps, ready for cutting or packaging. Robotic precision guides the diamonds seamlessly to their final steps, ready for cutting or packaging. Automated systems ensure that every package is thoroughly inspected, guaranteeing that only flawless diamonds leave the facility. Every facet is carefully measured, ensuring that symmetry is perfect before proceeding to the polishing stage. The edges are carefully refined, ensuring that each surface reflects light perfectly. The edges are carefully refined, ensuring that each surface reflects light perfectly. With the final polishing, the diamond's true brilliance begins to emerge, revealing its dazzling facets. Every detail is scrutinized to ensure perfection before the diamond moves on to the next stage. The diamond is now ready for grading, where its clarity and color will determine its final value. With careful adjustments, the diamond is now set for its most critical transformation. With each inspection, the diamond's transformation is carefully measured and refined. Every movement is calculated to ensure the diamond's shape is precise, ready for the next stage of refinement. Through careful shaping, the diamond begins to reveal its true potential, each cut drawing it closer to brilliance. After the major cuts, polishing smooths the facets, allowing the diamond's true brilliance to begin showing. Every detail is carefully polished to achieve the perfect clarity, bringing the diamond closer to its final brilliance. Every flaw is examined under the brightest lights, ensuring that only the most flawless diamonds are allowed to proceed. Even the smallest imperfections are carefully smoothed out, ensuring a flawless result. The final polish ensures the edges are as brilliant as the facets, bringing out the diamond's ultimate shine. Symmetry is key, and every measurement is taken to ensure that the diamond's cut is perfect. The final cleaning ensures no traces are left, ready for the diamond's last inspection before being packed. The last inspection confirms the diamond's perfection, ensuring it is ready for its final packaging and shipment. Each facet is carefully refined, ready to shine once it's polished to perfection. The polishing process is complete, and every facet is thoroughly examined for perfection. The final grade is determined, ensuring that only the finest diamonds proceed to the next stage. The final grade is determined, ensuring that only the finest diamonds proceed to the next stage. With the final grade complete, the diamond is securely packaged and prepared for its journey to market. The diamond is carefully positioned for its first major cut, where the magic of transformation truly begins. The blade moves with precision, slowly cutting away the rough edges to reveal the diamond's true form. Every cut is scrutinized closely, ensuring that the diamond's shape is as perfect as envisioned. Even the smallest details are adjusted, refining the diamond's shape to perfection. The diamond's facets are polished to perfection, bringing out its brilliance and allowing its true beauty to shine. The diamond is graded for clarity and cut, ensuring it meets the highest standards before moving to packaging. Each facet is checked and refined, bringing the diamond one step closer to perfection. The final cleaning ensures the diamond is free of any residual compounds, ready for packaging. The diamond is now securely packaged, ready to be shipped to its final destination. Once sealed and protected, the diamonds are ready for their journey to the world. With the boxes securely loaded, the diamonds begin their journey to their final destination. And so, the diamonds leave the factory, destined to become the world's most brilliant treasures. The automation systems activate, ensuring that every step in the diamond's journey is flawlessly executed. The diamond is carefully positioned for its first major cut, where the magic of transformation truly begins. The blade moves with precision, slowly cutting away the rough edges to reveal the diamond's true form. Every cut is scrutinized closely, ensuring that the diamond's shape is as perfect as envisioned. Even the smallest details are adjusted, refining the diamond's shape to perfection. The diamond's facets are polished to perfection, bringing out its brilliance and allowing its true beauty to shine. Under bright light, the polished diamond is thoroughly checked for any imperfections before moving forward. The diamond is graded for clarity and cut, ensuring it meets the highest standards before moving to packaging. Each facet is checked and refined, bringing the diamond one step closer to perfection. The final cleaning ensures the diamond is free of any residual compounds, ready for packaging. The diamond is now securely packaged, ready to be shipped to its final destination. The diamond is now securely packaged, ready to be shipped to its final destination. With the boxes securely loaded, the diamonds begin their journey to their final destination. And so, the diamonds leave the factory, destined to become the world's most brilliant treasures. The automation systems activate, ensuring that every step in the diamond's journey is flawlessly executed. The diamonds move smoothly along the automated conveyor, each step meticulously timed to perfection. With robotic precision, each diamond is sorted, ensuring the right stones are sent to the proper processing stations. Laser precision ensures that every cut is made with flawless accuracy, shaping the diamond with meticulous care. The polishing machine ensures each facet is smooth and reflective, bringing out the diamond's brilliance. Automated cameras ensure that every diamond is flawless, using cutting-edge technology to catch even the smallest flaw. The digital grading system ensures that every diamond is classified according to its quality, ready for the final inspection. The final inspection is automated, guaranteeing that only flawless diamonds make it to the packaging stage. Once sorted, the diamonds are moved to the packaging station, where they will be carefully sealed for shipment. With automated precision, the diamonds are sealed into secure cases, ensuring they are protected for their journey.
This one's sealed tight. Good. Box is ready.
With the diamonds securely packaged, they are ready to be shipped to their final destination. Once loaded, the diamonds begin their journey, ready to be delivered to the world. And so, the diamonds leave the factory, bound for their destination, where they will soon shine in the hands of those who appreciate their brilliance. The final cut requires the highest precision, ensuring the diamond is shaped to perfection. Each cut is made with utmost care, revealing the diamond's final shape. The final cut is inspected closely, ensuring the diamond's shape is perfect before moving to the next stage. Polishing the final cut ensures every facet is smooth, allowing the diamond's natural brilliance to shine through. The diamond undergoes its final inspection, where every aspect is carefully scrutinized. The diamond is graded to ensure it meets the highest standards for clarity and cut. Each diamond is carefully sorted based on its unique characteristics, ensuring it's packaged accordingly. Once securely packed, the diamonds are ready for shipment, ensuring their safe arrival at their final destination.